What's going on, guys? So it's time to do the fun work that I've been putting off for a long time. And I'm going to change this log splitter valve, and it might look simple, just a few hoses, and then this thing screws into the cylinder, but it's not as easy as that. I mean, it's easy, but it's time consuming. So for tools, I'm going to need 7/8 wrench for one of the fittings, and need 1-inch wrench also for another one of the fittings. And then I don't have a 1 1/8 inch wrench or a 1 1/16 wrench, so I'm just going to use this pipe wrench to take off the biggest fitting. I'm using this 8mm or 5/16 wrench for one of the hose clamps, because where I have to unscrew it, it's in the way of everything, so I can't get at it with a ratchet. I also have this for cleaning off the old tape, the Teflon tape, and then I have a roll of Teflon tape. I also have some drainage for the hoses so that they can leak into this. There's not going to be much leakage. Just going to put it down here, and then this hose and this hose will drain into it. I'm going to start off with some older gloves too. Those gloves are brand new, so no sense in wasting those. I got the 8mm wrench, aka the 5/16. I'm going to take this hose clamp off first. So this splitter is the one I usually keep in the yard, and it's been here for a long time. It just needed this valve changed, and the other one needs a valve change too. And I just looked at the other box for the other valve, because I bought both at the same time, and someone's gone and take the cap off of it, so I'm going to take it back and get another new one. This hose can be a bit tough to get off. Let's make sure the fluid's drained back into the reservoir. I forgot, that's one of the hard parts about this, is getting the hoses off and on. Guess I'll start with this top fitting here. Let's brush off all this old tape. Even if you have a wire wheel and you put it on an impact gun or something, that'll do this a lot quicker. There we go, let's peel off the rest. Okay, and this one down below. It's coming out this way, so that'll have to be redone. Okay, let's get this other one now. Okay, it's coming out easy. This one in the back here, it's a little tough to get to. It gets tricky with lining this thing up once you put it back on. I think the key also too, I haven't done this in years, but I think the key is turning this, and it kind of spins out, and the two pieces connecting, they kind of turn out as you go. Let's try here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, perfect. Okay, let's get some tape on this one. And we'll get this one started, and we'll do everything exactly in reverse. When you put this tape on, you got to make sure you wrap it the right way so that when you start putting the fitting into the part, it's not going to spin on you. So I'm winding this way because the valve is going to spin on the other way. Okay, I got this fitting out of the old valve, so I'm just going to wrap it in tape and then slap it in. I'm going to put it in a vise. That's another tool you're going to need for this job. Okay, the tricky part is making sure that this thing doesn't turn too much, but where the threading sits, it should be designed so that you don't have to go another loop around. Because I did actually break one of these and I cracked the whole housing of this. And this is cast iron, so that's pretty strong. When it just goes to show, you do one revolution wrong, you're going to have that problem. We're almost done here. Just got to get that other fitting in after. Yeah, we got one turn here. This is the tricky part here, guys. Because you don't want to have this thread strip as you turn this on. I think I kind of got it. Might line up itself. Let's just see. Let's just go loosely for now. I think it actually helps line itself up. There we go. This part gets tricky. Do I have another turn here or what? Yeah, I do. I've got another turn. Yep. Yep, that's good. Quarter turn. Good to go. Okay, now it's time for the handle. Couple small parts here. Gonna pop this sleeve off, this part here, and then take this piece with the two prongs, feed it in, and then put the clip, and then put the clip back on the other side. And then this one you fit in after. Be able to just give this a tap and then it's on. Okay. There's one time I threw a piece of wood and I hit the handle with the wood, and then I actually broke the thing. I broke the aluminum housing in the back side here. So that 2-pin bracket bolts into, or pins into, whatever. I had to go buy another valve for that. Cotter pin to lock it in place. Okay guys, splitter is ready to go. I'm thinking I should take it to the car wash and just spray it down. That'd be nice. Other than that, it's only one thing to do. I have here a sticker from a regular viewer, and he sees most of my videos, if not all. He's out in Prince Edward Island, Canada, which is our island province in the East Coast. Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood. It's been a long time coming for me to put this sticker on here and to get this splitter back into the wood yard. This is my original Speco that I bought in I believe it was 2014. These machines are really good, guys. Here we go. Make sure I got my spacing good here. Make sure I got it level. There we go. And this is a waterproof sticker as well.